So hello everyone, how are you? I'm fine and welcome back to my new vlog. So my name is Ayush and I am also a human being. So the biggest thing is that today I will take you all along with me to Buddhist temple where a prayer ceremony for long life is being held. Today Chagan Rinpoche ji, a great Buddhist monk, has come here to perform these prayer rituals and this is a beautiful view of this temple. And after these rituals, now we are being given the prasad of the prayer, which is this holy water and ball of sattu. And after this, some more Buddhist rituals were performed by Chagan Rinpoche. And in this time, we were also given a sermon by Chagan Rinpoche and other Buddhist monks. And after all this, the school students performed a dance to show her respect to a Chagan Rinpoche, who was a greatest monk of Buddhism. So, Kinnaur is a place where people of both Hindu and Buddhist religion hold equal respect for each other's faith. Many Hindus come here, and I myself am a Hindu who has come here during a Buddhist festival. We generally do not talk much about a religion in here, so this place is such a very beautiful place, and the visible view from here is truly stunning, so you enjoy this view. Since a community feast is also being organized here, so today we are going here to partake in the Bandara meal. So this is the smallest clip of my day. So I think you all also like this video and subscribe my channel, and also I have say Radhe Radhe. My English is so poor, so don't be mind my language.